2026, a year of higher dimension. Musa Wenkosi Joshua Mohlala, it's my name, a father of the nation. The Friday of the 6th of March in Queenstown. All our branches in the Eastern Cape are coming from 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m. It's a night of anakazo. You don't want to miss it. It will be prophetic. It will be healing and deliverance. You don't want to miss the night of anakazo. Ugusuga as far as Lisigisigi Kumbu, Kokstad, as far as Indwe, Ngobo. People must come for that special night, a night of anakazo. I want you to come and meet a prophet. Carry a seed of 700 rand. I am coming to meet you there. It will be a night of anakazo. And then on Saturday, the 7th of March, I am in Port Elizabeth, in Daku Hall, from 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m. It will be an anakazo service. You don't want to miss this special service. People must come expecting. It will be prophetic. When I also Port Elizabeth, I am strictly coming for you. Mabtetu bumnyama velukanya. Nkulmanga yutineh. Nkulmanga Grahamstown. Nkulma as far as George Neisner. Ungwehla njenge Garden Route. I'll be coming for that special service for you. God bless you. Mamelage, the Sunday of the 8th of March. Mfuna abantu abakholela uNkulunkulu ngezindlu, abantu abakholela uNkulunkulu ngeyimoto, abantu abakholela uNkulunkulu another position. Everyone must bring a key. It's a prophetic key service. 10 a.m. across our branches. Only in Johannesburg, 7:30 up until 11:30. Mabtetu bumnyama velukani. Indlela zakho mazivuleke.